going on, you guys? Today we're installing new brake rotors on the LS400 because the ones that are on there are all divoted and scratched and destroyed, and they need to be replaced. So these are the ones we got going on, just some fairly cheap run-of-the-mill brake rotors. Should be pretty easy to install, so let's get going. Woohoo! The dents. Ooh. It's a boy. Monkey. The circle goes in the circle hole. Oh, I see. Yeah. Yeah, I got it. I understand now. How did I cut that? Oh. Aww. Here editing this video, and I know it's really short, but for the past like 3 weeks I've been trying to film more footage to add on to this video to like make it a longer video, but there's just nothing has been going on. I have nothing to do to the car right now, so there's nothing to record, so I'm just gonna leave it at, you know, the short video that it is, just so there's something for you guys to watch, you know. But on the other hand, in the next video I have some new coilovers to install, considering the ones that are on there are so bad. Check the last video if you didn't see that. So I've got those to put on, and a few other bits and bobs that are gonna just kind of bring the whole look of the car together. And then I need to work on some of the body work just a little bit. The paint's already so bad, but I mean, I just want to make it look a little bit better. And yeah, just so wait till next video, something good coming. Sorry for it being so short. Peace.